Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's tap on eye comfort, and first of all we have to turn it on. So let's tap on this button, and you can see that the screen turns yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. You can also change the intensity of that feature just by using the switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right obviously warmer. It's up to you totally which option is the most comfortable for you. You can also schedule that feature, so the none option is manual option. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the eye comfort accordingly. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it's location based. So this is how to customize the eye comfort, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and here we have to find the proper icon, which is right here, eye comfort. So right now we have to tap on it to activate it. You can see the yellowish screen, and after tapping on it again you can turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.